Right, it's time for door number 7, the special bigger door today. All the ones down the edge are bigger doors. So let's see if it's lucky. Oh, it's another similar figure that's going to be top heavy. It's just, oh, that looks cool. It's Black Panther, which is a bit better than the Spider-Man one, but it's pretty much the same thing. I was going to see if it stood up, but no, it's too top heavy. I know, I got it delayed. But I might not be holding that flat, to be fair. That'd be better as a keyring. That was a missed opportunity. I think it might just be, oh, it's technically not the same mould, but it's very similar. And that is day number 7, Black Panther. Ooh.